Hello there. This is a quick video how I missed my 600-mile motorcycle oil change. I'm a new rider and I purchased this Yamaha 250 off of Craigslist with only 100 miles on it. The bike's set for about 2 years, so I made a quick oil change using the full synthetic Walmart brand. For more than 2 decades, I've been changing oil on my cars, and I said motorcycles must be just like cars, and I was wrong. Before I start riding the bike, I've read the manual, and I was convinced that the bike is good to go for at least 2,000 miles, considering I'm using full synthetic oil. Once I passed 1,200 miles, I decided to read the manual again and see what maintenance is needed. I gotta say, I was in total disbelief to read and realize that I missed such important detail. I replaced oil and filter the same day using the same full synthetic Walmart brand. You can tell the difference between fresh oil and 1,200-mile oil, basically double what the manual said. Besides color, everything seems to be okay. The oil filter seems to be okay. There's no metal shavings or any debris. And I used some paper towels to see the color between fresh and used. So basically this video is for those who wonder how it's like to double the mile on your motorcycle first oil change.